The Highlander's a well-established name, known for its comfort, capability, and reliability. It got a major update in 2023 with a new engine option, a revamped interior, and fresh tech features. This kind of significant refresh suggests Toyota might prioritize a facelift for 2025. Today on NamCar channel, we're talking about the 2025 Toyota Highlander. Is it getting a refresh, or are we saying goodbye? Toyota's been tight-lipped about the future of this popular mid-size SUV, but based on industry rumors and past release cycles, let's explore the possibilities. Stay tuned. Think subtle cosmetic tweaks, a new grille design, revised headlights and taillights, maybe some new wheel options to keep the Highlander looking sharp. Toyota typically refreshes its vehicles every few years, and following that pattern, a 2025 refresh wouldn't be a surprise. We might also see some tech upgrades. The latest iteration of Toyota's infotainment system could be integrated, offering better connectivity features, a potentially larger touchscreen, and maybe some new driver assistance tech. But here's the twist. There's a chance we might not see a refresh at all. The popularity of three-row SUVs with bold designs and cutting-edge tech is on the rise. Toyota might decide to completely redesign the Highlander for 2025 to stay competitive. This new generation could even offer a hybrid or plug-in hybrid option, aligning with Toyota's push towards sustainable mobility. Toyota hasn't confirmed the existence of a 2025 Highlander, leaving its future uncertain. We don't know any specifics about potential design changes, tech upgrades, or powertrain options. Release date and pricing, also a mystery. We'll be keeping a close eye on Toyota's official channels and reliable automotive news sources. Major auto shows in the fall of 2024 could be the platform for Toyota to unveil the 2025 Highlander, if it's happening at all. So, will it be a refresh, a complete redesign, or are we saying goodbye to the Highlander as we know it? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, we'll be here to bring you the news as soon as it breaks. In the meantime, let us know in the comments below what you'd like to see in the 2025 Highlander. Thanks for watching.